There is a saying that plumbers help protect the safety and health of a nation, and that's true. We help deliver safe drinking water. We're dealing with gas, natural gas, propane, carbon monoxide. That can be extremely dangerous in a home. Things that get flushed down a toilet, if that doesn't have anywhere to go, that can cause all kinds of problems. It's important to have trained professionals do plumbing work so that we don't have any health issues. People should call us because we care about the health and safety of our clients. That's the #1 priority for us.